Can you see?
Yes, that is correct. It's part of it.
Okay. Can you see?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, that's part of it.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. Can you also see this?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see this?
Yes. This is the salary schedule.
The spreadsheet.
The spreadsheet.
Now, 3 of the letters you have just identified. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, please.
The one dated 2/8/2019, 15/8/2019, and 30/12/2021 are copies. They are not original like the first ones. Where are the originals of these letters?
The original.
That's
Yes. Yes.
Reminder or letter of indebtedness. Service no longer required. Service no longer required. 2 of them. So where are the originals?
The only the scanned copies were sent to me. The originals are with the defendant. After we were locked out and asked to exit the company, the communication was by email, so it was only scanned copies that were sent.
Hold on, please.
Oh, sorry.
You want to write down what you are saying. It's very important.
My apologies.
So, say it now slower.
I said only scanned photocopies were sent to me after my exit from the defendant.
Okay. So you are never.
So where are the originals?
My Lord,
where are the originals?
The originals.
Where are the originals of these letters?
The originals are with the defendant. Only scanned copies were emailed to me after I was locked out from the defendant after my exit.
Okay. All right. Next.
Okay. Mr. Akade, on the same 25/7/2023, you also signed a small certificate before the notary public.
Yes, I did.
If you see it, will you be able to recognize it?
Yes, I will.
Look at my hand. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, this page 2, what on page 2?
My signature there.
Your signature there. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I seek to render the letters that are identified by the claimant, the other documents. No question.
All right. Right? Defendant's letter dated 30th of September 2014, marked as Exhibit C1. Defendant's letter dated 5th of June 2015, marked as Exhibit C2. Defendant's letter marked 30th of December 2017, marked as Exhibit C3. Defendant's letter dated 2nd of August 2019, marked as Exhibit C4. Defendant's letter dated 15th of August 2019, marked as Exhibit C5. Defendant's letter dated 30th December 2021, marked as Exhibit C6. The spreadsheet of profit shared, marked as Exhibit C7. Claimant solicitor's fee note, dated 17th of July 2023, marked as Exhibit C8.
We are most surprised, sir.
The sworn certificate dated 25th of July 2023, marked as Exhibit C9.
As the court pleases.
So the witness tendered 9 numbered documents as exhibits. Documents admitted in evidence and marked as Exhibit C1 to Exhibit C9.
My Lord, I'm grateful, sir. Okay, my Lord, I'm grateful. Mr. Kadejaye.
Yes, please.
Do you remember that on the 9th of April 2024, 9/4/2024, you went back to the office of the Notary Public to to sign another witness statement?
Yes, I did.
If you see the statement, will you be able to identify it?
Yes.
Kindly look at what I'm holding. Can you see it?
Can you come a little closer, please? Yes, I can see it now.
Okay. Look at the back page.
Yes, I see my signature.
Look at the back page.
Yes, this
What
is
can you
it.
see there?
My signature.
So this is the statement you signed on 9/4/2024?
Correct.
Okay. Please, what do you want to do with this statement?
I want the court to adopt it as part of my evidence in this case.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so the witness adopted his additional witness statement on oath, dated 9th April 2024, as his evidence in chief today, the 11th of July 2024.
As a purposes. I'm very grateful, sir. Professor. Mr. Kalejaye,
Yes, sir.
in paragraph 4 of the statement of 9/4/2024 that you have just adopted,
Yes.
you mentioned a bundle of emails. Can you remember, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay. If you see these emails, will you be able to recognize them? It's a bundle.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Please look at the screen and confirm whether these are the emails you talk about.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Please answer clearly.
Yes, these are the emails.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. These
Correct.
emails, what are they about?
They are about my correspondence
Please,
with.
yeah, slowly, my Lord will be recording you. Go ahead.
They are about my correspondence with the defendant
Okay.
and
Hold on.
Hold on.
With the defendant
and the defendant's correspondence with prospective employers.
correspondence with who?
With my prospective employers.
All right.
Okay. My Lord, I'm very grateful. In the same paragraph 4, you mentioned a screenshot of a WhatsApp message sent to you by the HR manager of the defendant on 4/8/2019.
Hold on.
as the policies.
In paragraph 4, you
In
refer
paragraph 4,
to a screenshot of a WhatsApp message sent to you.
Sent to him by the HR manager of the defendant. Answer now.
Yes.
Can you identify what I'm holding?
Yes, this is the screenshot.
Okay. Thank you, sir. In several paragraphs of the statement that you have just adopted,
yes,
you refer to the defendant's human capital policy of 31/10/2017.
Human capital policy.
Yes, human capital policy of 31 October 2017.
Yes, I did.
Can you remember?
Yes, I made reference to it, yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Please kindly look at what I'm holding. Can you see?
Yes, I can. That is
what
it.
Is this?
This is the HCP policy of the defendant. Yes, this is the document.
Okay.
Which document?
Which document?
The HCP policy, human capital policy of the defendant.
Thank you, sir. In paragraph 11 of the statement that you have adopted, you refer to a letter from the Federal Ministry of Labor and Employment.
Yes, I did.
Okay, thank you, sir. If you see that letter, will you be able to recognize it?
Yes, I will.
Kindly tell me about what I'm holding.
This is the letter from the Ministry of Labor and Employment.
All right, thank you. This letter that I'm holding, which you supply to us, is a photocopy.
Yes.
Please tell my lord where the original is kept.
We, the terminated employees, were only given copies of the letter. The original was addressed and sent to the MD of the defendant.
Thank you, sir. Now,
hold on.
I'm grateful, my lord.
Go ahead.
As a copy, my lord, I'm very grateful, sir. Mr. Akalbi, I want to take you back to the human capital policy.
Okay.
Yes. What you said in your small certificate that you downloaded it from the portal of the defendant.
What you said in your word?
In his small certificate is that you downloaded this document from the portal of the defendant.
Yes.
Okay. This is a copy. Please tell my lord, where is the copy you downloaded from the portal?
The copy I downloaded from the staff portal was in the office when we were.
So my lord will be writing.
Okay, my apologies again.
Okay. What's your answer?
What is your answer?
This is a photocopy which I kept at home.
Yes.
The
my question is, where is the exact copy you downloaded from the portal?
The exact copy I downloaded and printed from the staff portal was in the office when we were locked out. But
Hold on.
I-
Hold on. When you were locked out, what happened?
When we were locked out, yes, the copy I downloaded and printed was in the office. So I did not have access to that one, but I had a photocopy which I kept with me at home. This is the copy of it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Kalejade,
Yes,
on
yes,
the
please.
same 9/4/2024, you also signed a small certificate in the office of the Notary Public. Are you confirmed that, sir?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Small certificate signed on 9/4/2024.
Yes, that is a copy of it. That is the document, rather.
Okay. Please look at the back page. What can you see there?
Could you come a little bit lower? Yes, that is my signature.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Identified by the claimant.
Bundle of email marked as exhibit C10.
As the publicist.
Defendant's 2019 compensation structure. Is it this one? 2019 compensation structure.
No, that's the ACP, sir. Human Capital Policy.
The structure is not here.
Mr. Kaudi,
Yes, please.
please, can you see what I'm holding?
Yes, I can. This is the compensation structure of the defendant,
What year?
2019.
Thank you, sir. I love so this. I'm very grateful.
Yes.
There is no identification as the author of the document.
There's no
Author.
author. Yes.
It's not dated.
Yes.
It's not signed.
Mm-hmm.
It did not bear a signal of the defendant to show that the participant. No, just a few. I can put them. It is not a and finally, there was no look at it as to how these company of labor we voted for.
Hold on, hold on. Local foundation. Local foundation lead. So how it came to. You want the court to do what?
To get the document and have it as needed. That's how.
Okay.
That's all.
All right, thank you. What do you have to say?
Yes, my lord. This one is a very simple and straightforward. I want to humbly refer my lord to paragraph 5 of the reply to the statement of defense.
Mm-hmm.
Where the claimant affirmed that he will be relying on what was given to him
Hold
by
on. Where the claimant
affirmed, paragraph 5, the reply to the statement of defense and defense of where the claimant affirmed that he will rely on what was distributed to him by the defendant.
Mm-hmm.
My lord, sir, with due respect to my brother, who happened to be my senior in the University of Lagos by 1 year, and my brother were very close. With due respect to him, sir, he can't speak on how the defendant produces their documents because it doesn't work. It only work for them as an external solicitor. Somebody who worked in that company said, "This is what I was given." He has not provided any other one to me. This is how the defendant produces their documents. So I humbly urge my lord to accept that, admit that document. The person, the only person here, as at now, who can speak on that document has said, "This is what I was given by the defendant." Pastorally,
Hold on.
So he won't know.
Okay, what I have recorded is the defendant counsel cannot tell the claimant how to acquire documents from the defendant company, because the defense counsel does not work there. He is just an external solicitor.
Yes, my lord, sir.
And what more?
I submitted, sir, that the claimant is the only one who can speak on that document as of now. He said this is what I was given by the claimant, by the defendant.
Okay. So, and the claimant is the only person to speak on the document because he has stated that the defendant's company gave him the document.
As a company, my lord, I'm very grateful. So I urge my lord to admit this.
Okay, it is too early in the day for the court to speak on this document. Counsel will address the court on the document at the final address stage.
As the court places, my lord, we are grateful, sir.
So the second document, that's the defendant's 2019 compensation structure, is marked as Exhibit C11.
As the court please, my lord, we are most grateful, sir.
Then print out of screenshot of messages sent on the 4th of August 2019, marked as Exhibit C12.
Court please.
Letter from the Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Labor, dated 25th of November 2019, marked as Exhibit C13.
As the court please.
The defendant's HCM, that's the Human Capital Policy, dated 13 October 2017, marked as Exhibit C14.
As the court please.
The sworn certificate dated 9th of April 2024, marked as Exhibit C15.
As the copies. Hello, we are briefed.
So the witness tendered additional exhibits, documents admitted in evidence and marked as Exhibit C10 to Exhibit C15.
As the copies. We are very briefed, sir.
Right.
Okay, as copies. Mr. Kalijaye, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Finally, please tell my lord what do you want this honorable court to do for you?
Sorry, I didn't hear you well, sir.
Why did you come to court? What do you want my lord to do for you?
Yes, I want the court to enter judgment in my favor, in line with my claims. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, that would be all for me, my lord. I now leave you at the mercy of personally. So, Mr. Kalijaye, subject to the approval of my lord.
Defense counsel, can you come forward?
My lord, I can still continue.
Of course, you can.
I look forward to for consideration.
Go ahead.
Yes, please.
When did you leave the shop?
In 2021.
You said you are self-employed.
Hello?
Hello?
Mr. Kalijaye,
Yes, please.
you told the court that you are self-employed.
Yes.
What is the nature of the work? Is that you presently or self-employed?
I run consultancy services for people where it may be required.
The United Kingdom or beyond?
In the United Kingdom.
Yes.
Now, your employment was terminated in 2019.
I'm sorry?
I said your employment was terminated in 2019 with the defendant category.
Yes.
Before that time, before your employment with the defendant, before the termination of the employment in 2019.
Hold on. Defense counsel. What was the question? Is it before his employment with the defendant?
Yes, my lord. I will refer to
Defendant.
now. You are terminated in 2019.
I'm not sure I understood the question, please.
Listen attentively. He's rephrasing the question.
I'm trying to rephrase the question.
Okay.
Your employment with the defendant ended in 2019.
Yes, that is correct.
Between 2014 and 2019, you worked with the defendant counterclaimant.
Yes.
Before 2014, where did you work?
Before 2014,
yes,
I worked with
in 2014.
United Bank for Africa, UBA.
So you were a former banker?
Yes, I was.
Did you resign from UBA or you were terminated?
I resigned.
After the resignation from UBA, as part of the exit procedure, you settled all your outstandings with the bank.
As at when I resigned from UBA, I did not have any outstandings with UBA.
Hold on. Defense counsel is 11:45. So we'll stop cross-examination quarter after 12, 30 minutes.
I'm very grateful.
Okay, when I resigned with the bank, I did not have any outstanding with UBA.
That is correct, my lord.
Okay.
As a former banker, you are aware that before you can resign and be allowed to go for another employment, you must be cleared by your former employer.
Hold on. Mr. Kayode, what's your answer?
Sorry, my lord. I didn't know if that was a statement or a question, my lord.
The question was, as a former banker, are you aware before you can get another employment, you must be cleared by your former employer?
Okay. Yes, when you resign, I am aware that when you resign from an employer, you need to settle, yes.
You need to settle what?
So can the question be said again, please?
You need to settle your position as to whether you are standing or not and be cleared.
Yes, when you resign, that is correct.
Okay.
Next.
You, during the time of employment with UBA and the defendant agreement, you are registered. You are registered for a pension administration.
I'm sorry, I didn't get the question, please.
You have a pension.
No. Listen. Hold on. Let me read what I have here. Is it during your employment with UBA and the defendant? Were you registered with a PFA?
Yes, my lord, I was.
Okay. That's the question, right? Next.
Are you enjoying your pension or you are not yet right for it?
I am not yet due for pension.
Good.
Next.
Now, you refer to the human capital policy of the defendant, the one of you refer to the, I'm repeating so that I don't forget. You refer to the human capital policy of the defendant and claimant dated 31st October 2017.
Yes.
So I will be correct to say you are conversant with the content of that human capital policy. Or familiar?
Familiar, yes.
Yes.
You are also aware that your employment with the defendant is that of a contract that can be terminated by other party. You are aware?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
You are aware that paragraph 3.7 of the human capital policy
(3.7) HCP 2017, right?
Yes, ma'am. There are requirements for both yourself. There are requirements to be met by both yourself and your employer. Before your termination and or resignation can be deemed proper.
What's your answer? Did you get the question?
No, I don't, my lord.
Okay, listen. Are you aware that by paragraph 3.7 of the HCP 2017, there are requirements of both yourself and your employer before your termination or resignation can be deemed proper?
Yes, there are such clauses, yes.
One of them is that you have to surrender all the company's assets in your custody at the point of it.
Sorry, may I ask, please?
Hold on. What's your question?
Which
Did you get the question in the first place?
Which clause in particular is being made reference to, so that I can, because I am just familiar, I want to check it so that I know which one in particular is being referred to. I did not. Which clause
So you are
in particular?
aware of the provision he's talking about?
And that's what I want to check, my lord.
First one, if you answer the subsequent question, it will clear that down. First one to that, you return the official vehicle in your custody to the defendant.
Yes, that is correct.
Hold on for that. Pursuant to that, you return the official vehicle of the defendant in your custody.
In your custody. And I said yes.
Am I cancelling the earlier question?
Well, no, my lord.
We are coming back to it.
That is to clear the earlier question, is that he even followed the requirement as required by that when you are exiting, you must return all the company assets. So, and he did. It's deemed committed. Now, it was part of the requirement that you have an exit interview between the human capital resource manager.
Hold on. That's an exit interview.
Yes.
Between
HR, the human resource manager, and yourself, or disengaging staff.
Mr. Kayode.
Yes, it is a requirement.
Go ahead.
You did not make yourself available for that interview.
Clement.
The answer is no. There was no such, that is incorrect.
You did not make yourself available for the exit interview. Yes or no?
No. And may I clarify the no, please?
Hold on. Okay, clarify.
When you say the lawyer says I did not make myself available for the interview, the question was, there was no room for the interview. There was no proposition for the interview. Before the defendant did not give room for the interview. The exit had happened before there was any such correspondence on that was sacked, asked to leave suddenly, abruptly. So the issue of exit, inviting somebody and not making themselves available does not even come in, if I can clarify.
You didn't clarify well enough. What happened?
What happened, my lord, was that I closed from work on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2019, and I received a phone call from my ED that I should not bother coming to work because my services are no longer required. On Sunday, the 4th of August, a Sunday weekend, was when I got the SMS, the screenshot of which is part of the evidence from the HR, that I should supply my email so that exit documents can be sent to me. That was on Sunday the 4th. I provided my personal email, and a letter, services no longer required, was sent to me on Sunday. So between when I left close from work on Friday and when I was sacked, there was no way, no room that an exit interview could have been taking place, or that could have been invited for an exit interview, or any discussion could have taken place. That is the clarification I am trying to make, my lord.
Okay. So when did you return the official vehicle that was in your custody?
After I was exited and a letter was issued to me advising me of my indebtedness and that I should return the company's assets. So the company's assets, the car, was returned after I had been exited rather from the defendant.
Okay.
Now, I don't know what to do. I know I'm praying for if it's 2-minute addition because of this is.
You have 15 more minutes.
Because of this legislation.
You have 15 minutes. What are you asking for time for now? Go ahead. Wherever we can stop, we'll stop and adjourn.
Now, Mr. Kalaya.
Yes, please.
When that vehicle was returned,
yes, please.
You brought it yourself?
No, I did not.
Okay.
How was the vehicle done?
My driver brought the vehicle to the defendant.
Mm-hmm.
Was there any document given to you to that you have returned the vehicle?
Pardon?
Did you receive any document to confirm that you have returned the vehicle of the company to the company defendant?
Yes.
How did you get the document?
My driver got a copy of the document, if I recall well.
Mr. Kalejayi, you better recall well.
My driver got a copy of the document.
Okay. Next question.
Now, you are relying on the human capital policy of 2017 as part of the base of your case. Am I right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Paragraph 3.7 of the human capital policy dictates that you have to clear your debt, not loan, debt and outstanding before your exit is ratified.
You have to clear your debt.
yes or no before your exit is ratified.
Before your exit is
It's ratified
ratified.
as a company.
Mr. Kayode,
The answer is yes, with an explanation.
That explanation I may not need. Your counsel will address. I'm satisfied because of my time. Except if you, I can back.
paragraph 3.7 of the HCP provides you have to clear your debt or loan before exit is ratified. And you said yes.
Sorry, the answer is no to that question, my lord. My apologies.
The answer is no.
The answer is no, because the document being made reference to says when a person resigns, I was sacked. My services were no longer required. I was sacked. I did not formally resign out of voluntarily resign. So the document says that when an employee resigns or
Okay. All right. It's noted. Answer, go ahead.
Now, the human capital policy also provides that you can be terminated either by giving you notice in lieu or before. I know.
yes.
Good.
Answer, what do you mean by notice in lieu or before?
In which case, the mode of termination that he is complaining about is provided for human capital policy.
No, well, there are two arms. You're terminated either by notice in lieu or before. The before is what I want to understand.
That is, let me just read the provision to so that you know. I'm going to look at paragraph 3.7 or 3.72. Uh, 3.7.2.
That's page what?
At pages 40. From page 40 to 41.
Okay.
So that, do you have the capital policy with you there?
Yes, I do.
Please look at page 40 of it. Paragraphs 3. Downward. Paragraph 3 downward. Are you there? Are you there, sir?
Yes.
It provides for exit, including termination and resignation.
Which paragraph, please?
3.71.
Okay.
It provides for exit either by termination or resignation.
3.7.1.
It provides. Is that not true?
The context is different here, my lord. 3.7.
Is that what is provided for in 3.71? resignation, and termination.
Yes.
Is that what is provided there? Are you seeing it there?
Yes, I am seeing it. Correct.
Okay.
But the context differs when you go down to
the last paragraph of page 40. The last paragraph of page 40.
Yes.
The previous one spoke about resigning, but the last paragraph spoke about termination. It says, upon termination of individual employment, in collaboration with the HRM, the head of technology infrastructure must disable information system access immediately or prior to notifying the individual whose appointment needs terminated. Are you there?
Yes, I am there.
That is, you can be disabled prior to the notice of your termination.
That is referring to technology infrastructure.
You say so for termination. Is that not true?
With respect to technology infrastructure.
Now for paragraph 7.2, it provides for exit interview. Paragraph 7.3 refers to your indebtedness on exit.
Indebtedness of resigning employee.
Now, the question to ask is, you were paid upfront certain facilities. You are giving some upfront payment.
Hold on. Okay. Go ahead, Mr. So what's the question?
You are giving some upfront payment in form of allowances, leave allowance, culture allowance, accommodation allowance.
Hold on.
Upfront.
Are you giving upfront payment? Were you giving upfront payment for leave? What again?
Furniture. Accommodation. And the likes.
Mr. Kayode.
Correct.
Next question.
And that was to cover a period when the upfront was given.
Hold on. That was to cover a period when the upfront was given.
The upfront was given for a given period to start from a particular time up to a particular time. Before you are entitled to another one. Is that correct?
Correct.
You did not.
You did not go ahead.
You did not stay up to the period of the upfront payment to you before you were terminated. From the employment of the friend.
Sorry, can you say the question again?
The upfront that was given to you was for a given period.
Yes.
before the expiration of the period of the utilization of the you were disengaged from the defendant. Is that true?
Yes, I was disengaged from the defendant.
The upfront that was given you was to facilitate your employment with the defendant and not facilitate the employment with the defendant. Is that yes or no?
Please, can you say the question again?
The upfront payment was to facilitate your employment with the defendant. Yes or no?
Yes.
You are asking for your entitlement within the course of your employment. And not outside the period of your employment.
Say that again. You are asking for the
You are asking for your entitlement within the period of your employment. And not outside.
Yes.
Next.
But you're asking for the company to overlook the upfront that is beyond the time of your employment. Yes or no?
You are asking the company defendant to do what?
You are asking the defendant to
overlook. Okay.
The upfront that was paid beyond the period of your employment. Yes or no?
Yes. To overlook, yes.
Okay, next.
The defendant wrote you a series of letters requesting you to come to reconcile. You did not send any reply whatsoever to the defendant. And some of the documents were tendered by you.
Say that again.
The defendant severally wrote you, intimating you of your position. Come and reconcile your position with us.
That's your account.
Your account. You no reply. You did not deem it to reply any of those letters or respond at all.
Mr. Kayode, is that correct?
My lordship, no. That is not correct.
As you please. I'm satisfied.
Next. You still have a lot of questions?
No, just one or two. I'm very grateful. You did not demand any of your entitlement in writing before the institution of this action or before you brief your lawyer.
I'm not sure I understand the question, please.
There is no document before the court as we speak.
Mr. Kayode.
Yes, my lord.
The question is, you did not demand for any of your entitlements in writing before you briefed your lawyers.
No, I did not.
Next.
We are much of we are grateful for the right accommodation.
All right. Re-examination.
There will be no re-examination, and I humbly apply that my lord discharge the witness as a witness.
You say what? As a what?
I humbly urge my lord to discharge him as a witness in the box.
Okay, so witness, you're hereby discharged virtually.
As a
Thank you, my lord.
as a complice, as a complice, my lord, that was the case of the claimant. We can't thank my lord for his indulgence because I believe 2 days ago my boss came to my office. He brought his iPad. He was showing me third ticket from Nigeria to a first class 20. I said, Peter, can you believe this? I said, no, buy it. I said, okay, check economy, check business. And when we saw it, we can imagine what my Lord has saved us from. So, my Lord, we are very, very grateful for allowing the Lord to give this evidence.
I think we should appreciate the president of the court more for providing these facilities.
As
So
we appreciate
we are
everybody,
working from
sir.
Abuja.
We appreciate everybody, sir, especially the management of the National Industry. I know we are very, that is the case of the claimant.
Thank you. Oh.
I want to thank the first time for kind accommodation. It's been worthwhile. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, our witness have to travel abroad for
Virtual too, right?
It is before vacation.
Mhm.
But it is after vacation. What
We can do it before vacation. It's just a phone call. He's abroad, isn't he?
because it's just as a witness to replace
The earlier witness.
yes.
It can be done virtually. Just as we succeeded in doing this, you can also, anyway, if you are not comfortable with that, we can take a date in the legal year. Kajida, give us a date. But if for any reason you are going to do virtually, let us know so we can get the Zoom details.
Okay.
Are you sure we'll get?
My Lord, I have a final address to be adopted at Yaba. My Lord is confident.
It's confidence.
We are very grateful, my Lord.
We are much of them. I want to thank my
As the corporate, my Lord, we are very grateful, sir. We wish my Lord the rest of vacation.